95% of bodybuilders lose before they step on stage. They have no idea why. You can have the best physique in the lineup and still lose, because if you can't pose, judges can't score you. 4 mistakes that are killing your placements. Number 1, I will figure it out on the stage approach. Doesn't work. Champions practice posing at least 3 to 5 times per week. You practice twice in your hotel room. Number 2, your physique will speak for yourself. Not really. The judges score what they see in 60 seconds, not your training log. Mistake number 3, just flexing harder. Good posing creates illusions. Bad posing destroys them. Same muscle, different angle, completely different placement. Before learning to pose during peak week, you are depleted, stressed, and now you are learning choreography. You have already lost. Winners practice posing from day one. They work with real coaches, they film themselves, they treat posing like lifting, rep after rep after rep. My Athlete Foundation, posing and stage presence is mandatory because at the elite level competition, small things matter. You did not spend 16 weeks working hard to lose because you couldn't hold the pose. Do these 4 things at least. Number 1, before going for fancy moves, master the basic first. In men's physique, it's only 2 poses, front and back. You should be able to hold your core with no movements while in your pose. Aim to be able to hold your pose for 1 minute at least and gradually aim to hold for more. Your moves, hand, etc. should be used to cover your core, to take some breath, breathe out and back into the pose. Feet position. Most athletes stand with feet too close together. This makes you look narrow and unstable. Feet should be at least shoulder width apart, weight slight, toes pointed slightly outward. This widens your frame, stabilizes your core, and opens up your quads. Your stance is your foundation. If your feet are wrong, every pose looks wrong. Number 3, phone position when filming yourself. Stop holding your phone at your eye level. That's the mirror angle, not the judge's angle. Judges sit below stage level, so your phone needs to be at waist to chest height, angle slightly upward. If you're only practicing at eye level, you're not seeing what judges see, and what they see is what gets scored. Film from the judge's perspective, always. 4, stop relying on the mirror. When you are on stage, there is no mirror. If you only practice with one, you are building dependency, not muscle memory. Use the mirror to learn the pose initially, where hand goes, how core engages, then practice without it. You need to feel when your shoulders are back, when your core is tight, when angles are right without looking at the mirror. Use the mirror to learn, take it away to master. 4 mistakes, 4 fixes. This is how you stop losing.